Hi everyone, so this is the second tutorial where I'll be adding some text and adding a few layers. Layers are very useful in order to separate your work and do some modular work. Okay, so I have a design in here, and I would like to go to the layer list, not the layer list, yeah, here, and click this plus button, and I'll say this is the text, and I'll set the width to ISO and layer type is a continuous. Do OK. Okay, so if I'm here, the text layer, this here. Okay, so if I will lock this layer up, I cannot do anything with this layer. This is useful in order to avoid accidentally editing this layer which is already finished. So the benefit of this new layer is that I can work on top of the previous layer, the original layer, keeping in the reference what is already there, and then add a new objects on the second layer without affecting the overall scalability and the geometry of the previous layer. Okay, so I'll just lock it up. I can do the visibility check in here. Okay, I'll go to the next text layer, and I'll be selecting the Greek oil and the 5 height. This is up to you, whatever you like. And I'll write Pro Drone Control, which is my YouTube channel in here. So the thing is, when you export this as a SVG file, you will see that you only get this structure, in the final software. Like I'm using the laser GRPL, you will only see this geometry. You will not see this text. So for you to include this text into this geometry, you would wanna go to make sure that you have a proper font selected. You have different fonts in here. So this font is something like you can cut the piece off like all the letters out of this whatever the material it is. If it's a laser engraver, you can just cut off the plastic off of this whole layer, or this depends on your laser settings. Okay, so my point is, so you want to include this text into this design. So what you want to do is to go here and explode. Now you can see if I click on this first letter, the whole text is selected. I want the letters, then I will want to go to explode into letters. Now each letter can be selected individually. Still, you can't export it to the SVG file for the final making purposes. So if I go to again and select the whole letter and go to the explode. So when you explode it, now this whole text is divided into the individual geometry. Okay, so now you can easily export it to your SVG file. This is all you need to do. So now if you go to the export as a CAM file, you just do it as normal, and when you'll open it into the laser GRPL, you will see that you have this text and the geometry, the rest of the design with your file.